Don Hummer Trucking, honest review, and user experience of this freight service. When it comes to reliable freight transportation, Don Hummer Trucking has built a strong reputation in the U.S. logistics industry. But does the company actually live up to its promises of safety, reliability, and great driver experience? Here's my honest review. Don Hummer Trucking, based in Iowa, operates across most of the continental U.S., focusing on refrigerated and dry van freight. From a logistics standpoint, their on-time delivery rate is excellent, and their equipment is consistently well maintained. Most people get this wrong. They assume smaller regional carriers can't compete with national giants. But Hummer's fleet quality and customer service tell a different story. The trucks are modern, fuel-efficient, and equipped with advanced safety systems. From a driver's perspective, the company has a solid reputation. Pay is competitive, routes are well planned, and home time is respected, a big deal in the trucking world. Several drivers highlight the company's strong communication and family-like culture. Clients appreciate the company's transparency and consistent communication. Shipments arrive on schedule, and the tracking system offers real-time updates, a must for supply chain reliability. Overall, Don Hummer Trucking delivers professionalism with a personal touch. Whether you're a shipper seeking dependable transport or a driver looking for stability, this company proves that a mid-size carrier can still operate with top-tier performance.